respected teachers and my dear friends. This is V. Priyashri. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I will say complete seminar regarding work and energy. Let us go to seminar. Yes, before starting this seminar, I will ask some small questions regarding work and energy. Do you know meaning of work? Yes, of course you know. The work which we do, our purposes and which we get energy while doing our body. You know, body also can take some types of energies. Moving of muscles and pumping of heart, remaining floating of blood, it will take energy. In physical science, you know about work means nothing but any type of activity which absorbs any type of machines is known as work and energy. Work have so many meanings in different ways. Nothing but example, now I will show some pictures regarding to the work. Let us see the picture. Yes. This is the picture of one man was taking the cement bags, one putting on the lorry. This is also one type of work and energy the man was doing. Now let us see figure 2. One girl was pulling the toy cars in front of the girl. This girl also putting energy and doing work. This is also one type of work and energy. And figure 3. This boy was moving, trying to pull a big stone. Here only work was presented. And you can see here one toy. That here you can see the car was screw is presented. Now let us explain about this toy and key. Is nothing but now toy having one key. When we pull the key, it will move. There also some types of work and energy will be presented. Are you understand this topic? Yes. I hope you are all understood. Let us go to another topic. Yes. Do you know sources of energy? Yes. Of course you know. The energy, the natural energy we get from the sun is the biggest and natural greatest energy for us. Because with this energy only, we are making iron boxes, watching TV and so many with the electric purposes. This is also one type of sources of energy. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let us go to another topic. An energy from the sun. What are the energies we are getting from the sun? Yes, with the energy of the sun, we are making solar panel. With the solar panel, we are making of iron boxes, televisions, computers, so many which are made up of kitchenware or living any types of iron and electric purposes. These are we are using for the electricity. And are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let us go to another topic. You know, our body also takes some types of energy? Yes, of course it's right. Because we'll do in our daily activities, we'll do so much of works. Pulling and pushing, weighting and lifting, so many things we'll do. For weighting and lifting, we need energy. Where that energy will get? Because of D vitamin, we get energy and we'll do these types of things. This is also work and energy related to the human body. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let us go to another topic. Do you know? Yes, spring. Yes, of course you know this spring. Because when we press the spring, it will close down. Because we kept work and energy on this. That's why the pressing will be done. Like this only, this is also one type of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but an activity which absorbs the velocity and the time taken of motion of the rest is known as kinetic energy. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let us go to another topic. This is the last topic in our chapter, potential energy. Potential energy is nothing but energy which will take absorb and it will release only for the particular time. It is known as potential energy. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Thank you for watching my video.